Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. You're working on a machined part, maybe a slot or groove that needs to be an exact depth. You're in a bit of a hurry, so you eyeball it with a scale or use the end of a caliper, thinking close enough. Everything looks fine until assembly. That part doesn't fit. Or worse, it fails in operation because the depth was off by just a fraction of a millimeter. Sound familiar? That's a classic case where skipping precise depth measurement can lead to wasted parts, rework, or even costly failures. This is where the digital depth gauge comes in, a simple but powerful tool designed to take the guesswork out of depth measurement. The digital depth gauge is a precision measuring instrument used to determine the depth of holes, slots, recesses, or any cut feature with high accuracy. It works by extending a slim measuring blade or rod down into the feature, while its flat base rests securely on the surface. The digital readout then gives you an instant, accurate measurement, often down to 0.01 millimeters or 0.0005 inches. What makes it especially effective is its combination of precision, ease of use, and speed. No parallax error like with dial gauges, and no awkward caliper hacks that compromise accuracy. Key features usually include a large, easy-to-read LCD display, metric inch conversion, zero setting at any position, and a solid stainless steel body for durability. You'll find it used in tool rooms, QC departments, workshops, anywhere depth matters. Whether you're checking countersink depths, keyway slots, or mold cavities, the digital depth gauge boosts your accuracy, saves time, and reduces costly errors compared to manual methods. It's one of those tools that, once you start using it, you wonder how you ever worked without it. Hey friends, if this video helped you understand things more clearly, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports our channel and helps us share more hands-on knowledge with the industrial and manufacturing community. And if you enjoyed this practical explanation, don't miss our earlier video on the mechanical depth gauge. We walk through its functions, usage techniques, and share tips for getting precise depth measurements, all explained in the same easy, no-stress style to help you work smarter and more accurately.